Hi everyone, my name is Sudharshan. I'm currently working as a .NET developer in Textile IT Solutions for the past couple of years. I wanted to shift my domain to full stack development, so I joined GUVI on August 2022. GUVI has a well-structured curriculum and covered every topic from HTML, CSS to React, Node.js, AWS from scratch. They gave equal importance to doubt clarification session, which was held at least once in a week. A well-planned task after each and every class, which are mandatory to finish, made myself push one step further to upskill myself and have a strong understanding of the concepts. Immediate feedbacks of the task, mock interviews, capstone projects, portfolio creation, resume building kept my preparation on toes. When it comes to mentors, Sanjay Sarvan and Ramesh, they gave me strong foundation on FSD. Their explanation was really good. They also welcomed doubts and clarified them immediately. They made sure students always achieve their task on their own by giving some pointers. Thanks to Pugas Harasan sir, who always clarified my doubts and helped me to deploy many applications which were stuck in the middle. And also thanks to Harish Shankar sir, who kept my morale and confidence high through the placement. A special thanks to Tina, whom I could always reach out whenever I had placement or task issues. She always used to contact me once in a week asking regarding my preparation of placement. Thank you to Shakib, who made me get placed in one of the finest organizations with a good package. I'm really grateful to GUVI for providing me ample amount of time and opportunities during this recession period and getting me placed in one of the finest organizations. I would like to say that GUVI gives their best to get you placed, but you have to give your best in your preparation. Thank you.